Shelter is one of the most fundamental parts of the human condition. It's essential to our survival as it protects us from nature's elements. And over the course of history, the discipline of architecture has produced absolutely astonishing structures, inspired by traditions, ideologies, and beliefs. As virtual reality advances and becomes more affordable, we're going to spend more and more time immersed in virtual environments where we play, create, learn, and explore. VR gives us the creative power to mold our surroundings with unprecedented freedom that's not bound by physics, natural resources, or economics. And it doesn't stop there. You can change the weather, turn off gravity, and have doorways that defy spatial limitations, leading us to worlds with inconceivable physics and impossible structures. But buildings are much more than just aesthetically pleasing artifacts. They serve a social function. It's where we spend time with people we care about. Today, our friendships mostly live behind glass screens, scattered across social networks. But virtual reality can revolutionize the way we interact as it breaks the two-dimensional barrier of our monitors. What if each individual friendship was reflected by a physical space or a building just as unique as the friendship itself? You and your friends can have a unique building that suits your interests, where you can arrange and customize the interior space and furniture any way that you like. Add a private movie theater in the basement, and since it's virtual, you can shrink it down to the size of an ant or move it entirely to the moon. Maybe add a creative warehouse where you can design and explore fashion concepts for your clothing line. Add a game room to unwind and relax, or maybe even a lake in your living room. And to top it all off, you can graffiti the shit out of the building with anything that you want. This is where things get really interesting, because the introduction of 3D interfaces enable buildings to take the forms of apps and websites. Projects like Janus VR reimagine the internet as a physical place. What if YouTube or Reddit were buildings that you could walk into and explore physically? What would they look like and how would they function? This is truly a new renaissance age for architecture. For the first time, we're not burdened with engineering the physical integrity of a form, so we can focus more on the function. In a world with unlimited aesthetic choices, designing for the inhabitants of a space will be the most dominant aspect of architectural design. Up until this point in history, the most impressive man-made structures have been physical. But with the introduction of virtual reality, I think our greatest achievements are yet to come. As always, let me know what you think down below in the comments. We'd love to hear back from you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share. And thank you for watching.